This is a really wonderful handbag, and we're going to make several pre-creases. Our colors on the bottom, and let's fold a triangle first. Start at the corner up here, and unfold. And let's rotate our paper. Now this time, this is going to be a full fold or full crease. We're going to just make a little pinch mark in the center. So bring your corners together and just make a pinch mark right here. Just right there. And then unfold, and you can see where the center of our paper is. Now we're going to make 2 more pinch marks. We're going to bring this corner to that pinch mark, like that, and make another pinch mark right here. You can see we're right down the center line. We have that center crease that we can use as our guideline. And unfold, and there's our other pinch mark. Let's do the same thing for the top. Bring this point down to our center pinch mark, and make 1 more pinch right here. So we have our 1, 2, 3 pinch marks. Now let's take this bottom corner and we're going to touch it to this top pinch mark right there. And now we're ready to make an entire crease. We're going to start here in the center and make our full fold. And unfold. And we're going to do the same thing for this opposite corner. Let's bring it down towards you to this pinch mark. And then crease this down flat like that. And unfold. Let's rotate our paper. And we have this 1 crease going across the center, so let's fold this whole thing in half, right on that crease mark. And we're going to make the bottom gusset of our bag, and so this folded edge, we're going to fold up. Now you have your crease marks right here to use as guidelines, and you can make it as wide or as narrow as you'd like. So you want to fold this up, crease that down, just like that. Now leave this in place, and let's flip this over to the other side. And again, you should be able to see these crease marks right here. Right here. We're now going to take this bottom edge and fold this up to touch the crease mark right there. That's our guideline. And give that a nice strong crease down. And do the same for the other side. This bottom edge is going to be brought up and placed right alongside that crease mark. And let's unfold both sides. I'm going to, let's flip this over and unfold this margin and unfold the entire. So now we have lots of crease marks that we're going to be using as our guidelines. Now if you can see this crease, it's like a triangle shape right here, okay? We're going to bring the outside corner to the tip of this triangle. So let me put my finger here, and we want to fold that right to that, the tip of that triangle, and give that a good crease. And repeat the same for the other side. There's our triangle, there's the point, and bring this corner in, and crease that down. Now in origami terms, we have mountains. This looks like a mountain peak, and a valley. So I have a mountain, a valley, and another valley. And we're going to reverse some of these creases. This mountain fold is going to be reversed to a valley. So we just need to fold up right on that line, right on that crease. Just fold it up. And so now we have 3 valleys. Now the center crease, I'd like to change that to a mountain fold. So we want to fold this entire flat backwards. Make the points match up right here and give that a good crease. And now what we can do is fold up on this one valley fold, just like that. And then flip the whole thing over. And let's fold up on this valley fold. Just like that. Okay, I need a break for a second. Okay, now let's open up our model and flatten it out a bit. And if you take a look, 2 mountain folds and 2 valley folds right here. So we need to reverse these valley folds to be mountains. And so let's just pinch this backwards and pinch. That makes that a mountain crease. Same thing on this side. Just pinch it backwards. And now we can assemble our bag. So go ahead and fold this, fold it up right along this long crease. So you have 2 sides. And we have a hinge right here. You see that we have our mountain and we have a valley fold. This valley fold is going to collapse in. You push it in. This entire side collapses together like that. And then this entire top will go up and over. Give that a good crease. And we're going to repeat that for the other side. You push these edges in. That's that valley fold. We're going to push in on the valley fold, gather up those flaps, and then bring this flap over and into So this is first our basic shopping bag, and you can attach handles or string here, which we'll show a photograph of.